This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Corsair K57 RGB wireless gaming keyboard. We'll dive into its core features, discuss how it performs in real-world use, and ultimately help you decide if this wireless option is the right fit for your gaming setup. We'll cover everything from its unique lighting to its connectivity, giving you a comprehensive look at what makes this keyboard stand out. The K57 RGB wireless boasts Capelix LEDs, which are 60% brighter and 40% more power efficient than traditional RGBs, ensuring vibrant lighting with extended battery life. You get versatile connectivity with Corsair's sub-1 millisecond slipstream wireless technology, standard Bluetooth, or a reliable wired USB connection. Plus, 6 dedicated macro keys and full media controls provide convenient command at your fingertips. For gaming, the K57 RGB wireless shines with its slipstream technology, offering sub-1 millisecond latency that feels as fast as a wired connection. Battery life is impressive, providing up to 35 hours with RGB lighting on or 175 hours without. While it uses rubber dome switches, they offer a quiet, tactile feel, and 8-key rollover ensures all your commands register accurately during intense gameplay. So, is the Corsair K57 RGB wireless worth it? Priced around $100, it delivers excellent wireless performance and stunning Capelix RGB lighting, making it a strong contender for gamers seeking those features without the higher cost of mechanical wireless keyboards. If you value wireless freedom and brilliant aesthetics over mechanical switches, this keyboard offers a compelling package for your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.